go. Meh. Knife heads, how's it going? You guys know where I'm at. I ain't home yet, but I was just wanting to show you guys what I brought with me, and that was it. What I brought with me, carry for the week. I didn't bring 10, 15 knives, nothing like that. I brought a couple. And then, yes, I did stop at the Big Blue Roof and I bought one. But I ain't going to show that one. I'm just going to show what I carried. With that being said, I got this Pyrite with the Warncliffe. I got the Pyrite. And I got the Knife Crazy slip. One of the best slips I've got. One of my favorites. This one and his other one he sent me. Does awesome work. But that's carrying this 6.5 bone stag. Look how dark that bone is. They burn it good. They burn it just right. Come on. 2024 with the clip point. Single blade with 6 dots. Great knife. 3-finger knife. You see my fourth finger is just barely touching it. Where this knife is so thin, it works good in shorts. Slides right down back in that. I'll stick that right back in my right pocket. And hold on, I'm fighting through other stuff you guys don't need to see. You see a theme here what I'm doing. I got this J.O. Venture slip that I water fitted. My 72 GEC. Look at that green just pop. It keeps getting lighter on me, guys. Every time I bring it in and out of this slip, it keeps getting lighter and lighter. And that sucks, because it was beautiful about a week ago. It was so beautiful, man. It's still a beautiful knife. Long pull with that swedge, lock back. Got the bullet shield. Got the lanyard hole if I want to put a piece of leather in it, which I don't because J.O. made me this slip with this lanyard bead on it. So I don't put one on the knife. And last but not least, I got this. You guys probably already know what knife it is before I even show it. I bet 9 out of 10 of you know what knife I got. It's no secret. I got the boys' knife. Look how dark that blade is, boys. This C70 carbon steel, that takes a patina like nobody's business. Straight down Broadway, Come on. Look at that. Look how dark that blade is. Lamb's foot blade. It's got the C70 carbon. It's got the easy open with the lamb's foot. Oh, I didn't show you this one either. This GEC 72. Straight down the middle. The way Big E likes them. Oh yeah. Hold on. Hold on. That one's not down Broadway. But this modern I got straight down Broadway, just like the doctor ordered. Come on. Well, that's all I got, guys. I do got a couple clips I'm going to throw in here just to show you guys a couple places I went. I went to like mini golf and the arcade. Just a couple places. I hope you guys enjoy. It ain't long, I promise. It's probably like a minute. I just took a little clip here, a little clip there. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. And you probably won't see me until I'm back in Kentucky where I belong. Come on. Y'all stay classy. You hear?